Well, hopefully y'all can still hear me over the washing machine going over here in the yard office. We're gonna have a little train break today here at Amato Family Lines. As you can see, there's still some cars waiting in the sidings there, and there's the yard there and things like that. Got a couple things to show you. This one, of course, has a little funny little consist I put together of a consist you'd probably never really see, but like I said, on Amato Family Lines, things will run the way I want them. High hoods and everything mixed together. The auto rack, my lumber car, on the intermodals. Of course, there's also a crane on the intermodals and a caboose, so it works. I like it. Because back around here, I'm going to show you my favorite kind of lumber car I got here. I didn't realize until recently they're called opera window center beam cars. The sound of running water back there is the washing machine running. As you can see here, when I was little, I always used to think those were like mirrors or something, because they look like the oval-shaped bathroom mirrors. Found out they're upper window. So that's my favorite kind of lumber car, and I used to see red ones a lot, so that's why I'm glad I have that one there. I don't know if you saw in the consist over there, nickel plate's not there. Nickel plate's in the shops having the little cow catcher thing and stuff put back on because it came off. Thanks to my good friend whose shop it's at. But since that one is being worked on, the Pennsylvania Heritage unit, which belongs to the friend that's working on it, is here on loan. So I put a little thing together so I can get a video of it running. Just a little special for it. Nothing too heavy. See Jupiter sitting there. Took a little break for it, kind of made it like it's sitting on display, getting for the next run. A special shout out on this train. My friend will know what that is. And run them both around here before we say goodbye. Have a good day, everybody.